Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the buying guide. The buying guide is a key section that has been added on our app and website. The buying guide helps you select products which are involved in the step-by-step action required in each procedure. So each procedure is broken down into various steps and the products associated with each step are then listed to make it as easy and simple for you to purchase.
Head over to dentalkart.com, your one-stop destination for all your dental needs. On the top menu bar, click on Buying Guide section, your shortcut to a smoother and faster shopping experience. You will find here that various procedure-based sections are designed to make your shopping easier and more relevant to the clinical workflow. No more endless scrolling. Our guide is divided into real clinical procedures, so you can shop exactly what you need when you need it. Some of the available procedure categories include gingivectomy, frenectomy, composite restoration, indirect and direct pulp capping, non-vital thermoglatylitic bleaching, non-surgical tooth extraction, pit and fissure sealants, root canal treatment, zirconia crowns, and many more. Let's explore one procedure in detail, gingivectomy. Inside the gingivectomy procedure, the entire procedure has been broken down step by step. Each step includes a short explanation of what needs to be done, followed by recommended products used in that stage. For example, the gingivectomy guide includes 7 clearly explained steps, each paired with carefully curated product suggestions to make your clinical decision-making easier. You can either select the products shown under each step or explore more products and alternatives from different brands. All popular brands and trusted products are listed in each step to give you the freedom to choose. Want to add all the recommended products from a particular step? Just click select all and all products from that step will be added to your cart at once. You can customize it later as well. Or if you'd like to shop for an entire procedure at once, scroll to the bottom and click buy all. Every product across all steps will be added to your cart in one go. Once selected, the products are automatically added to your cart. Go to the cart to review and update quantities as per your clinic's requirements. At applicable, freebies will be automatically included with your order if a deal is available. Your quantity will be updated successfully. You can add or subtract products anytime before checkout based on the exact needs. Now, just fill in your shopping details, choose your payment method and proceed to checkout. Thank you for placing your order with Dentalkart. We're excited to be a part of your dental journey.